This video will show you how to use the rolling pin and spacers specifically for your texture tiles. First, gather your supplies. All of the supplies for this project can be found in the back of the room underneath the clock. You're going to need a rolling pin, spacers, and a cookie cutter. And the texture tools are in the cabinet, and you need to pick 3 different textures. Use your wire tool to cut a very thin slice off of your pug. The slice should be about 1 finger width deep. Now place your rolling pin and spacers. The spacers are going to go next to your slice, and you're going to roll the rolling pin over top of the spacers. You're going to need quite a bit of pressure when you very first start rolling out your slab. Pick up the clay and flip it over so it doesn't stick to the table. Continue rolling out your slab. Flip over your slab one more time. Keep rolling until the rolling pin is gliding on the spacers only. Now you're going to add your texture to your slab. When you're rolling on your textures, you need firm pressure so the texture shows up clearly. There's a variety of objects that you can choose from. And for this project, remember you're going to need 3 different textures. Use your cookie cutter to cut out your shapes. Press your cookie cutter firmly into the clay. Then double press on the top and the bottom. Press firmly so that your cookie cutter goes all the way down to the table, and double press on the top and bottom. Peel away the extra clay. Carefully lift up your shapes. You are going to need 3 texture tiles for your assignment. If you would like to turn your texture tiles into an ornament, you can use the hole punch to punch a hole in the top of your texture tile so that you can put a string through it later. Push the punch straight down into the clay all the way to the table and give it a little spin. Gently pick up your texture tiles. If you want to keep it, make sure you write your name on the back and put it on the to be fired shelf. You will need 3 of these.